Hi, I'm Jehan, and today I'm going to show you how to make this juicy baked chicken drumsticks with potatoes. Let's get started. I have 8 chicken legs and I'm going to season it using seasoning salt and black pepper. And I'm just going to rub it on all sides of the chicken. You want to make sure that all of the pieces are coated with the seasoning. To the pot, and I'm using a heavy bottom cast iron pot because this is going to go into the oven. I'm adding enough olive oil just to cover the bottom. Now that the oil is hot, I'm going to add 4 garlic cloves which I've smashed. And I'm just going to cook the garlic until it browns. Now I'm going to remove the garlic and place it onto the plate. Then I am going to brown the chicken in this oil. And I'm going to allow the chicken to brown on all sides. Once the chicken has browned on all sides, I'm going to remove it and place it onto a plate. Next, I'm going to add potatoes, which I've quartered, into the oil to brown. And I'm going to spread these out so they can brown on all sides. And I'm using red skin potatoes, but you can also use baking potatoes and Yukon Gold potatoes. Once the potatoes have browned, they have some color, I'm going to remove it from the pot. And this is a very easy recipe. Everything pretty much just cooks in this same pan and then it goes into the oven where it will continue to cook and it is absolutely delicious. I've removed some of the oil. I've left about half, and then I'm going to add chicken broth. And I'm just going to scrape the bottom of the pot to get up all of those bits. That's a lot of flavor. I'm going to add in garlic powder and Italian seasoning. And I'm just going to cook this for about a minute or two before adding the potatoes and the chicken back into the pot. And I'm adding all the pieces along with all of the juices. And I'm just going to stir it just to make sure that the chicken and potatoes get coated in the seasonings. So here we have the potatoes, the chicken, and also the garlic. And next I'm going to cover this and then place this into my oven that's been preheating at 350 degrees. After an hour, I'm going to remove the cover, then drizzle a little bit of that juice on top and then place it back into the oven for about 10 minutes and it is done. And the chicken is juicy, delicious, so full of flavor, and it is such an easy meal. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time here, and I will see you guys in the next video.